welcome back to Lab4Life. Today we're diving into a fascinating question. Can artificial intelligence ever become a scientist? Imagine a robot making groundbreaking discoveries or even winning a Nobel Prize. AI is reshaping our world in ways we couldn't have imagined, especially in science and research. But can it really replace humans in labs? Or are there limits to what AI can do? Let's find out together. We had a crucial topic to discuss today that is now hot in the field of science, which is artificial intelligence, and how this awesome technology is transforming the innovative work of science and laboratory. AI is transforming our world in an amazing ways, and especially in science. It's doing things we would have never thought possible. It helps researchers and scientists to solve some of the most difficult problems, from processing enormous amounts of data to complicated simulations. Now let's review exactly how AI is utilized across many scientific disciplines. For the first one, scientific data analysis. Large and complex data sets are some of the most pervasive problems in science. AI can handle this data quickly and with greater accuracy. With AI, it is possible to create complex models in genetics to simulate the behavior of genes. For the second one, simulations and modeling. In domains such as biology and chemistry, tools like AlphaFold leverage AI to forecast the structural formations of proteins. A task that previously required years now accomplished in a day. AI tool in research and development. Deep learning tools such as TensorFlow and Keras enable researchers to better conduct experiments and analyze data. Applications in medicine and disease diagnosis. AI is also playing a key role in disease diagnosis. For instance, it's helping simulate the behavior of cancer cells or predict the evolution of viruses. Now, let's answer the question that we started this video for. Why AI cannot be a scientist? One of the biggest reasons that's why artificial intelligence cannot be a scientist is because it is also not creative or innovative like humans. Even though AI can analyze big data and identify trends, creating new ideas with creativity, asking foundational, essential questions, and thinking critically is a capacity of the human mind comprising emotions, life experience, and general knowledge. In fact, many major scientific breakthroughs are made by mixing ideas and thinking outside the box. Many of these creative processes are rooted in a human experience, failure, and observation, which is difficult, if not impossible, for AI to emulate today. So, while AI is a powerful enabler of scientific research and data processing, it has so far not been able to operate at the level of creativity and innovation that a human scientist can provide. You probably already know, but AI has so many functionalities inside of it and serves a lot of stuff. But for all of its potential, I have to say, when it comes to being a scientist, the truth is AI is still missing a whole lot of the characteristics of what makes a scientist a scientist. A major reason for this is decision-making power, the ability to make independent choices. A scientist makes quick, difficult judgments on uncharted territory using gut, heart, and ethics. But AI doesn't have the capacity for that. It can make choices behind the information and algorithms it's programmed to use. When it comes down to it and things get complicated, AI can't think and act like a real scientist. So ultimately, I think one of the key things that AI can't fully replace a scientist is decision-making power or free will, what we can do as human. The ability to think independently and make conscious choices is yet unattainable by AI. Okay y'all, that's just a brief rundown of how AI is assisting in science work. What do you think? What do you believe AI will be able to do in future of scientific research? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe and not lose out on our upcoming video clips. We'll take you on a mind-blowing journey of science and AI in our future videos. Goodbye for now, and I will see you next week.